well-being of our animals is our top priority, and it begins with care for our pregnant sows. Murphy Brown is in the process of converting from individual gestation stalls to group sow housing. Although one system hasn't been proven to be advantageous over the other, Murphy Brown is converting in response to customer requests. No matter which system is used, we have a responsibility to animal welfare. 2 days before giving birth, we move our pregnant sows from the gestation barn to the farrowing barn. This is where the birthing process and the first few days of new piglets' lives take place. Each stall is designed for easy access to food and water for the sow, and ample room to run around for the piglets. The stalls also help facilitate birth, keep the sows comfortable, and protect the newborns from being crushed accidentally by the sows. The first milk piglets receive from their mother is called colostrum, and it contains natural antibodies and nutrients that newborns need to give them a healthy start. Their tails are also docked to prevent injury later in life. Males are also castrated at this time to prevent sexual maturity, which would alter the taste of the pork. All piglets also receive an iron shot to boost their immune system during their first week. Young pigs grow fast. 3 weeks after birth, they weigh in at 10 to 12 pounds. It's time to be weaned from their mothers and to move on to the nursery barn. Before a group of piglets arrive, their nursery is thoroughly washed and sanitized. Nursery workers use simple noisemakers to move piglets into their pens without physical contact or other stressful techniques. A nursery barn is designed to house approximately 40 to 45 piglets per pen for the duration of their stay. In the Murphy Brown system, nurseries are typically owned and operated by independent farmers and their families. We call this arrangement contract growing. In contract growing, Murphy Brown supplies the animals, feed, transportation, veterinary services, and record keeping. Our contract growers provide the modern facilities, day-to-day management, and general upkeep of the farm. Murphy Brown takes the market risk, and the contract grower receives a predictable income stream, regardless of market conditions. During their 50-day stay at the nursery, piglets grow from approximately 12 pounds to about 50 pounds. They eat 3 different feed recipes, each matching their changing nutritional needs. After 50 days at the nursery, these feeder pigs are now ready to move on to the finishing barn. On a finishing farm, hogs grow to 270 pounds in approximately 24 weeks. As the hogs grow, they are individually monitored. Our contract growers follow a Murphy Brown best management practice: every pen, every pig, every day. By tending to each animal on a regular basis, they can tell when an animal feels good and when it doesn't. If an animal appears to be sick, it is moved to a separate pen to receive special attention. If the need arises, animal health products like electrolytes or aspirin can be administered through the animal's drinking water. If it's a more serious problem, a staff veterinarian can be called to diagnose the animal and prescribe treatment. Murphy Brown staff veterinarians use antibiotics for 3 general purposes: to treat disease, prevent disease, and control disease. All of our products go through very rigorous testing by the Food and Drug Administration before they are actually approved for use in swine. They make sure they are safe for the pig, safe for the food supply, and safe for the environment before they are ever approved. After 24 weeks, at approximately 270 pounds, hogs are ready to go to market. Throughout their life cycle, these hogs have been kept safe, comfortable, and healthy. They are now on their way to provide safe, nutritious sources of protein for families and individuals around the world.